Hey Macy, this is Brandon, just sending over that custom video I put together for you guys' business. I'm going to go over three things that are going to help you guys bring in more traffic and bring in more business. The three things I'm going to go over are website content and keywords. Second thing is going to be citations. And then the third thing is going to be backlinks with referring domains. I go over these three things because I feel they're easy enough for people to take care of right in the office or the comfort of their home. And second, these are three really big things Google looks at as far as how they rank people. So first thing we look at is website content. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of content, um, on the home page. So just by adding some more content here is going to do you a lot of favors. But more importantly, inside this content that we're going to have, we want to make sure we're capturing, buyer intent keywords. Okay, so buyer intent keywords. Put yourself into your customer's shoes. What do you think they're typing into that Google search bar? That's going to get Google to take that search and point them in your direction, right? So I know you guys offer a lot of services. Don't know which ones you really focus on, but either way, you're going to want to take those keywords: roofing, metal roofing, kitchen remodel, kitchen renovation, bathroom remodel, and then hook a service area up to those keyword phrases as well. So make it metal roofing, Columbus, bathroom renovation, Columbus. Any service that you do, keep a basement remodel, Columbus, whatever service areas you want to be in. Capture all those keywords with the service area, and that's going to do you a lot of good. Second thing I do is I do a couple of searches here. So I did kitchen renovation Columbus, and there's actually three ways you can get on the homepage or the front page of Google, right, with the keyword phrase. The first way is to pay for this, all right? So you can be up here in the ads. The second way is to be in this map pack, okay? So to get into this map pack, you need citations. So what is a citation? A citation is given to you by Google every time you get yourself in a directory. Inside that directory, you need to leave your business name, address, and phone number the same way it's displayed in your Google business profile. So take that information, get into every directory possible. The Angie's List, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, Thumbtack, BBB, LinkedIn, every social media platform. Anything out there you can possibly leave your business name, address, and phone number, you're going to get a citation for. And this is really simple. Whoever has the most citations gets in this map pack. So it's really in your hands to go out there and do that. The second or the third way to get on here is to be ranked organically with your website, right? And this is a culmination of good good content, good keywords, making sure your pictures are saved correctly, meta tags, and then backlinks and referring domains. And to look at all that kind of stuff, I use a tool here called Ahrefs, and anybody can use this. There is a monthly fee to use it. There are other tools out there that are free you can use as well. But it's going to break your website down, show me everything that's going on. It shows me how many backlinks you got and what referring domains they're coming from. Shows how many organic keywords are actually getting picked up and recognized for, and then how much organic traffic is headed to your website monthly. So first thing we want is a good, healthy backlink profile coming from strong, powerful domains. So what the heck does that mean, right? A backlink is any link you have out there on the web that if somebody clicks on it, it brings that person back to your website. Okay, so we need a good profile, a good portfolio of those, but they need to be strategically placed on good referring domains, meaning they need to be relevant to your industry and relative to your customer base. Google crawls all your backlinks. So if they're out there in places that are irrelevant to your business and your customers' needs, you're actually going to get dinged for them. They're not going to do you any good. They're going to hurt you more than they help you. So I noticed you got a ton of backlinks, a huge amount of backlinks coming from only 138 referring domains. So that might be something you take a look at. And then obviously just more keywords is going to get you more recognized. I go back to the search that I did, and just the top ranking company for this kitchen renovation, I stuck them into Ahrefs so you can kind of see what your competition is doing. But they don't have nearly as many backlinks as you, but almost just as many referring domains. But what they do got is a ton more keywords. Okay, so once again, the importance of keywords getting recognized with keyword phrases is huge. And you can see they got a little over 700 people coming to their website a month. I did a second search of metal roofing Columbus. I don't know if that's another, I know it's a niche you're on according to your website. I don't know if it's something you really focus on, but same thing here. I just went down and I grabbed this metal roofing company. I threw them into Ahrefs so you can kind of see what they're doing. Once again, backlink profile. It's the amount of keywords is really the biggest difference I'm noticing. But ultimately, they got over 600 people coming to their website a month. So if you guys go ahead and add more content to your web page, more content is going to give you an opportunity to add more buyer intent keywords, right? And then if I go to your gallery, click on some of these pictures. If I go to save this picture, You see how it comes up with a bunch of letters and numbers? That's what you have it saved as. So every one of these pictures is an opportunity for you to save them as a keyword, right? So kitchen remodel, Columbus. And then if you're looking at other areas, kitchen renovation, kitchen remodel, cabinets, anything you can possibly think of for a keyword phrase, every one of these pictures is an opportunity to save it at that. So more content, more keywords. Go out there and get your citations so you can at least get on the map pack, and then check out your backlink profile. They remove some of those irrelevant ones. And I think a lot of things are going to, get better. So as I was talking on the phone, just looking for some feedback on this video, making sure that I'm providing some good quality information, that I'm not wasting anybody's time. So look forward to hearing your feedback, and we'll talk to you in the future. Take care.